Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you've ever struggled to find an eyebrow pencil that offers precision, long-lasting wear, and a natural finish, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the KIKO Milano Precision Eyebrow Pencil, a tool that promises to help you shape, define, and fill your brows with ease. Let's break it down. The KIKO Milano Precision Eyebrow Pencil is a dual-ended product designed to make your eyebrow game easier and more flawless. It comes in the shade 04 Light Chestnuts and Blondes, which is a great match for those with lighter to medium-toned hair. On one end, you've got the ultra-fine pencil, perfect for filling in sparse areas and creating those fine, hair-like strokes. On the other end, there's a separator comb, an excellent addition for blending the color seamlessly and shaping the brows to perfection. The formula of this pencil is what really sets it apart. It's a hard-textured pencil that delivers micro-precision with each stroke. It doesn't feel waxy or overly soft, which means you can control the pressure to create the exact look you want. Whether you're going for bold, defined brows, or something more natural, this pencil gives you the control to achieve both. Now, onto the real-world testing. Incorporating the KIKO Milano Precision Eyebrow Pencil into my routine was simple. It fits easily into any makeup bag, and the size is perfect for on-the-go use. The pencil glides smoothly on the skin, and the color payoff is impressive without having to go over the same spot multiple times. The separator comb on the other side is a genius touch. It helps blend out the color and keeps everything looking neat and professional. In terms of durability, the pencil lived up to its promise of long-lasting wear. I wore it through a full day of errands, and it didn't budge, even in warmer weather. My brows stayed in place, and the color remained true throughout the day. It didn't smudge or fade, which I found impressive for such a fine-tipped pencil. On the flip side, the pencil is a bit firmer compared to some other brow products on the market, which means it requires a bit more pressure when you're applying it. While I personally like the precision it gave, it might take a little longer for those who prefer a softer, creamier pencil. Pros? The precision, long-lasting wear, and the convenience of the separator comb. It's a solid choice if you're after a defined look that lasts. It's also compact and travel-friendly, so it's perfect for carrying around in your bag. The shade range is versatile, and it offers a matte finish, which is ideal for a natural brow look. Cons? While I appreciated the firmness of the pencil for control, it may not be ideal for everyone. Some might prefer a softer pencil that requires less pressure. The formula also takes a bit longer to build up compared to creamier pencils, so keep that in mind if you're in a rush. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, yes. The pencil offers great value for its price point, especially considering how precise it is and how long it lasts. If you're someone who loves a well-defined, natural brow, this could definitely be a go-to. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking for a slightly more affordable option, the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil offers similar precision, though the formula is a bit creamier, and the longevity might not match KIKO Milano's. If you're looking for a more luxurious alternative, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz offers a comparable micro-precision tip, though at a higher price point. When it comes to build quality, the pencil is solid, and the separator comb is a great design feature that adds to its usability. The packaging is sleek, and I love how compact and lightweight it is, which makes it perfect for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Final thoughts? The KIKO Milano Precision Eyebrow Pencil is a great option for anyone seeking precise, long-lasting brows. It's ideal for those who want a defined look without the hassle of constant touch-ups. If you're looking for something that performs well under different conditions, this is a solid investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this pencil, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you.